What's up, SEO pros? Welcome back. Today we're going to be creating templates for our SEO agency. I don't know if you got that last part. We're going to be creating templates for our SEO agency. So far we have the template for the SEO roadmap, which we're still working on finalizing. That should be out pretty soon here in the near future. If you want to join the waitlist for that, it will be in the description of this video. So that being said, what we're going to do is we're going to basically streamline the other parts of the processes that we're working on in regards to SEO implementation after the audit is done. And what I'm doing right now is I'm just looking for the stand for my phone so I can see when you guys are commenting. But for some reason, it is buried in the abyss of my backpack. So I guess that's just not going to happen. Either way, I will just bring it up on my phone and I guess stare at my lap when I have to see people are commenting. Let me just bring that up right now. Alright. Cool. Got it. And there we go. What up, Kermidget? You're a new subscriber. Well, welcome. Cool. So let me get the roadmap. So first of all, we have our workers, our clients, and then the templates. So right now, if we look at the workers, this is going to be the different spreadsheets of like to-do lists for the different people we have working, which we're going to, of course, organize this further as well. The different clients we're working with, potential clients, current clients, and then when we go into there will just be analytics and reports and roadmaps that we've done for implementation, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go get my current roadmap that I've been working on. I think it's like version 2.1 now. I just haven't updated the 2.0 yet. So let me just go grab that. Just Reiner. Oh, actually, you know what? It's in here. Let me go get it. We want to go to the main roadmap template. I don't know why I can't see it in here. It should be in here. It should be called Final Roadmap. Whoops. See, the problem is I have this on like 3 different Google Drives, so I always forget which one I'm working on. Abar says, "Hey Chase, how are you? And how is the project going? Need to work with you, add me." And then there's your email. Things are going well. What project are you referring to? Okay, so, seems like I just am not going to be able to find the final roadmap template, which is really annoying because I created a folder for it. It's not in there. Let me go into this other one. Oops, sorry, that was the one I was just in. Go into this one. What up, Wesley? It's literally in none of these. The annoying part is I was literally just working on this like yesterday, and now it's just like not here. So annoying. Oh, you know where it is? I know where I put it. Okay, cool. So if we go in here, go to clients, current clients, go to here, and go to roadmap template. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy all these templates over to the new area, which is going to be here, templates. Press OK. Cool. So now what we'll do is we'll go over to templates, start working on this different stuff. So this is the SEO roadmap template I was telling you about, version 2.1. Let's just go in there really quick. Let's update the number since there's a lot of new stuff in here. Cool. So in here is going to be all the implementations and whatnot, right? But we don't really have anything to schedule stuff out yet. So we should create a template for internal workflow. So what we'll do for that is we'll just go here, create a new folder, call it internal workflow. Oops, sorry. Press OK, go there. And now we can start setting up what we want people to focus on based on where the client's due dates are. So let's go to Google Sheets. And we're just going to have to think about how we want to segment this out. What we can copy is the template from Webris, except we'll probably change a little bit of the stuff to our own stuff. Abrar says, what are you drinking? This is matcha green tea latte with coconut milk. It's pretty good. Darren says, love the commercial. Thanks, man. I've been actually getting a good amount of negative feedback for that too, but it's just part of the process, right? So this is a way we can do it, having internal due date, client due date, that kind of thing, who it's assigned to. Let's see if we can just copy this and bring it over. Now I'm pretty sure it's not going to feed in the same way because there's programming put into this. So what we'll do is we'll just instead try to see if we can segment this out ourselves, and then maybe we'll copy the template a little bit more in a second. So let's start out with internal due date for cross-checking. Let's then take the actual client due date, send over, well, client due date would just be add to report or something, right? The next part would be who's working on it. And then we'll have, let's see, hold on, let me just go look at that one really quick again. Abrar says he liked the commercial too. Thanks, guys. We put a lot of time trying to say the right stuff there. There was a lot of takes we had to keep doing. Okay, cool. So tasks, project, deliverable, task. All right, let's see if we can structure that a little bit differently. So we got, what I want to do is I want to do like general stuff, like SEO. I want to see how they did the drop downs, because a lot of their stuff we're not going to actually really want. For instance, we don't really care about like action file, analytics audit, YouTube strategy. We're not doing that stuff. So let's see if we can figure out how to add drop downs to here. So let me go over to here and see if I can figure out how to do that. So protect range, define range, maybe that. Let's see. How to add drop downs in Google Sheets. What the hell, Oscar? Could you, by chance, plug this in for me? Okay. Open a Google Sheet, or open a spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Select the cell or cell you want to create a drop-down list. Click Data Validation, then Criteria. All right. So, boom. Let's find Data Validation. Boom. And then they said criteria, list from range. Oh, you might have to create another Google Doc with all the things in there. So select a cell or cells you want to create a drop-down list. Click data validation next to criteria. Choose an option. List from a range. Choose the cells that will be included. Okay, so let me see if I can do this. So e.g. sheet. See, I don't know what that coding is. Let me see. Test. So I think this is referencing another sheet like in here. So let me see if I can just create another sheet and do this. So SEO, SEM, content, keyword research. We're just going to do the main stuff that we do, right? So like the way we do that is we just pull this different stuff from the checklist. So fixing indexation problems, stuff like that. You get it? Which tool do you use to create or edit the video commercial? I think Oscar used Adobe Premiere or something, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I used Premiere. Alright, so let me see if I can go here now. Data validation, sheet 2. Is that not going to work? Well, let's go back. Okay, open spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Select the cell or cells you want to create a drop-down list. Click data validation. Okay, so let me see. Oh, no, those are all the cells. I got it. Okay. Now, the cells will have a down arrow. To remove the arrow, uncheck. So this is weird because it's not showing us what those numbers are right there. Sheet 1. Oh, I get it. Sheet 2. And then A2 to D5. Alright, let's try that. Sheet 1. Hold on. Sheet 1. A1 D5. Oh, it needs an exclamation mark. Alright, let's see if it worked. Boom! We got it. We got it, boys. Alright. So obviously we don't want all this capitalized. Let's go ahead and SEO, SEM, content, keyword research. Let's just do the general stuff right now. We can add more to it later. So what are we going to be selling? Let's see what we're selling first, right? So what are some of the main things that people need to get fixed in their audits? We got, let's go to this roadmap, and then what we'll do is we'll list here. New document. And we're going to start doing like basic stuff like page speed, optimization, Google My Business, optimization, site architecture. Now we do have to figure out whether they're identifying the issues or they are solving the issues. No, we're assuming that they're identifying the issue or solving the issues. Site auditing. And I'm wondering if we can link this to actual parts of roadmaps for clients. I don't know. We have to figure that out later. Gaming Fever says, "Hi, sir. What's up, sir?" Xtac says, "Chase MozLocal versus BrightLocal for citations and why?" I never used BrightLocal, but I mean MozLocal I use with Citation Builder Pro. All right. Site architecture, page speed optimization, site-wide on-page issues, competitor link opportunities, keyword research, content-related issues, core scans. Well, we'll just say that's with on-page. Search online and offline conversion tracking. Schema markup. Alright, we'll just have those for now. We'll add more as we need to. Let's abbreviate them. What's up, Tech? Krucha? Or Chuka? Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Bring those up there. Ah! Why? Alright, screw it. We'll just delete this. Alright, we'll put all these in here. So now we have this list. And let's see if it syncs up properly. Let's label this too. This is internal workflow. Master sheet or what's sheet inputs, or wait, this is task inputs, and we'll hide this eventually, but for the moment we'll just keep it here. We'll probably want to put more stuff in. Mohammed says, hey, I'm very to meet you. What's up, dude? How do you do SEO for Blogger? Well, I can't really give you a one-set answer for that. I'm sorry. Every search intent is different, so it really depends on what your goals are, right? A1 to A10. Is there more than 10? Oh, there must be more than 10. Alright, data validation. Let's do to A14, 13. What the heck? Is there still more? Let's just do to B20. There's no way that there's still... Input must fall within a specified range. There we go. Okay. So there we go. Client due date. This is going to be obviously whatever we set the due date to be. Let's see how they're doing it over here. Where is it? Here. Okay, so due date, there's no drop downs there, so you just manually enter that. The workers we can do, the projects we can do. Alright, so let's go do that. So, internal due date, we'll just say for this, we'll make the first one making the spreadsheet. So we'll just making spreadsheet. Client due date is today, so we'll just, this is just a test. February 8th. 2018 and February 7th is the, well, actually it's the same, right? Alright, who's working on it? So this is actually supposed to be switched over, so let me put that over here. What's the task? And this is where we're going to put people's names. So we're going to do another drop down, which is going to be workers. And then if we can get this to feed into the current workers we have, that would be great, but we'll figure that out in a second. Oh shoot, we got some people. Oh look, we got Oscar Salgado in the chat. Haven't seen that guy in forever. ATIF says, hi Chase, you are awesome. Want to learn a lot from you about SEO audit and implementation. The way you did an audit live on YouTube and Notepad and some of your videos is mind-blowing. For sure. That, I mean, that's why I'm trying to make it a little bit easier for people with this roadmap right here. It's still not out yet, but it will be out probably very soon in the near future. Where the heck was I? Oh yeah, I was reading the comments. Line Rank says, I saw your post about URL structure where you wanted to change it to product category / product, where originally it went from product category and took you to product. I always thought second was best. Yeah, I mean, that's probably what I'll stick with, but it doesn't really make sense from an architecture standpoint. Gaming viewer says, actually, my main focus is education. I do write blogging for education. Nice. Xstack says, have you seen Google penalize a local business for putting keywords in their Google My Business name? Yes. That happened to, like, literally one of my relatives. ATF says, will it be free? No, it will not. Tech Kucha says, or Chukas, I don't know. Chucha says, I wonder why Brian Dean's post contains 3 words in article permanently. Can you answer this? Because you should usually only have 3 to 5 words per URL file path. Alright, let's get back to this. So we're going to go here, list out our workers. So we got Chase Reiner. Well, we don't even have to do this. We'll just go like that. Actually, no, we will. We'll keep it like that because then I know what to do. Chase Reiner, Oscar, Salgado, Chris Dudmore. So we'll just do that and then position CEO, designer, Chris Dudmore, lead SEO. And then we're gonna do Rena. I don't know her last name, but she's VA. And then content writer. Cool. So we'll do that. And then what we'll do is we'll go to C and say we could do like join date. We don't have any of these right now. I mean, it's kind of irrelevant, but we can put other stuff in there eventually. So we do that, and what we'll do is we will take the same formatting. Let's just change this. Change or rename workers. Change the color because we like to make our stuff stylish. How much will the template cost? Which one? This one or the roadmap? Alright, so we're going to go here. Data validation. Sheet. Oh shoot, that was supposed to be sheet 2. So this is sheet 3. Sheet 3, A2 to A, whatever. Why is that not valid? Sheet 3. Hold on. Sheet 1. Sheet 3 is a valid input. Hold on. What am I doing wrong here? Does sheet 3 not exist? Oh, it's because we have to name it. Okay, hold on. Task inputs. Or sorry, workers. And then this one will actually change to oh, that's the same. Okay, so it changed it automatically. So we'll do Chase Reiner, making spreadsheets. I'll just make that a task so we don't have to keep looking at that error. Hold on, let me go back. What the hell is what's happening? Oh, that's that's okay. Sorry, that's the first one I put. All right, task inputs, making spreadsheets. We'll just say making templates. All right, there we go. So we got tasks, all this good stuff. We'll color code this at the top with the brand colors. Your webinar is on Sunday. Is it free? No, the webinar is tomorrow. All right, so we got this. Bold these out. So tasks, boom, boom, boom. Next we got notes or additional details. And then after that, we'll just leave that column large. What do we have over here? Oscar, if you get a chance to get more water, can you get me some too?
Was denied.
Wow. See how it is, Oscar. No, I'm just kidding.
Wait, when's the drones coming in?
It should be here today. I don't know. Okay, so we got status. These are all the different things. I don't think we need that many. We might. Let's just see. So task and notes to me is very similar because the deliverable should be the task. So I'm not really going to put that in there. I will do the status though. It looks like they have these different sorting features, which I don't really need either, I don't think, right now. Nice try, Joachim. Alright, let's do... What was it? Oh, God. Oh, yeah, review. No. Status, that was it. Alright, color code this. Alright, we gotta do a new one, so let's go do that. Status inputs. And let's rename this. Or change color. Whoops. Thanks, dude. I'm gonna take my medication for this stupid acid reflux that I have. Oh, it's in. Is it in here? Where the hell did I put it? Might be over here. I don't know where I put it. Oh, I found it. All right. Let's do this. Okay, status inputs. Let's do so cross check, approved, disapproved. What would be some other ones? Let's just go look. Review, update needed, working, delayed, completed, signed.
Is this yours?
So I guess assigned and yeah, that's mine. And then the other one was in progress. Working, yeah. Alright, so we'll take those here. And we'll do statuses. What we'll do is we're gonna select all of these. Whoops. Hold on, I need to figure out how to do. Need to filter this, but not include the top one. One second. Sure, it's one of these. Gosh darn it. I don't want status on there right now. Well, actually, I'll just change it again. That's fine. Alright, so data validation. Sheet. What is it? Or sorry, status. Inputs. A2 to A20. Boom. And then we'll just get rid of the validate or the formatting on this one. We'll do the same thing over here. Lists range. And let's do task inputs A1 to A20. Get rid of that one. Sure, there's an easier way to do this, but it's fine. And we'll go to this one more time. Workers A2 to A20. And let's get rid of this. So remove that. Cool, so now this is all here. Boom, boom, boom. I wonder if we can put a date range in here. So instead of just typing it in, we can just select it. Let's see. How to do drop down date range in spread in Google Sheets. Too slow to do your job. You guys are hilarious. Add a calendar date selector in Google Sheet. Here we go.
Want to make it easier to add the date to your entire spreadsheet column with a calendar selector.
Paid course is
in this video,
they're
I'm going to show you how
$300
to
each.
do this for the entire column of this spreadsheet. I'm going to show you how I did my header row where I want to show on every page.
Date.
Right click on the header column, in this case column A, and select data validation. Criteria drop down menu, choose date.
Oh, look at that.
Remember,
That was a lot easier than I thought it would be. I don't know why they're not doing it over here. You would think that they would do that, but kind of crazy to me. Alright, so let's just do that. Drop down data validation. Go to date. Save. There we go. And let's get rid of it here. Let's go here. Oops, got to change this. And let's change this one too. Get rid of that. Now let's see if we can do this. There we go. Sweet. So it works. So now we got all that. Notes, we can obviously... wonder if we can expand these at all. We don't really want to though. It would be better if we just put a note in here. Just like by inserting a note. Status, boom. So right now we're working on it. And then review needed, we could be like this. And then we could have reviewed by, or Well, I mean, I think that's pretty good. What do you think, Oscar? That's pretty much all we need. So now we just need to start testing it out, start putting different things in here, different tasks. So let's just take a person's spreadsheet. Hold on, let me just make sure that mine doesn't have... We'll take Oscar's. Well, the hard part is going to be figuring out which... Well, actually, yeah, we should look at the clients first. And then see, based on the clients, what's going to be the most important things we need to work on first. Hold on. I do like how they have this laid out in the other one more. It definitely looks better. Here's the deliverables, links to sheets files. So this is kind of interesting. So I guess you take the things in tasks, and once they're done, you bring them over to deliverables. But I think once you approve this, it automatically goes to deliverables, doesn't it? Let's see. We got content topics. Let's approve it. Now it's still saying review needed. Oh, maybe because once it... Okay, let me make it say it's not approved. Hold on. Delayed. Reassigned. No, it's still there. That's weird. So actions, your website structure. This is kind of interesting too. This is like basically the audit, I think, but it's more based on sort of this weirder layout, which I don't know if I like that. Clients, so then you would have the drive folder, which apparently when you add clients in here, this is somehow linked to their drive automatically. Team. So I guess, yeah, we could add that in there. We could add email and notes. So let me just go do that really quick. So workers, email, phone number, and description. So just put that in there like that, so everybody knows how to contact each other. Best place to contact. Alright, so next what I'll do is create the specific client folder. Well, let's see how they're doing this here. Love from India, keep doing good work. Thanks, man. Alright, so in here they got logins, writers, pulse, client name, contact start. I'm not really sure what this is. I'm gonna have to watch the videos on Ryan explaining how that works. Let's go into the other project templates. So we got this one. This is all the different stuff that they obviously are doing here. Just kind of like how we have it, except the top part is a little bit differently formatted. Which we can try to figure out how to do later. I'm sure it's probably just changing the text. Let me go over here. Go there. Change text size. Yeah, that's pretty much what it is. So that looks a little bit better, I guess. We kind of want this stuff centered, I think. Let's see. Do we want this stuff centered? Yeah, we do. Okay, so we'll do that for all of these. Screw it, we'll just make everything centered. Alright, that's starting to look a little bit better. Let's just do a drop off here, so people don't have to feel like there's a lot more over here. And what I'll do is I'll just change this with notes. Oops, actually, sorry, I was supposed to change the content or the column length. There we go. Now we're starting to see some progress, guys. Cool. So we got this. We should probably make the workers template a little bit better looking too, so let's go ahead and do that. Boom. Change this to bold. And what we'll do is we'll center all this stuff too. And let's make the size a little bit larger. Now obviously this stuff doesn't have to be like these internal columns don't have to be as large, so we'll go fix that in a second. And the description's going to be the longest right there. Oops. Why can't I select these? There we go. We'll do size 12. And we'll black out the rest. There we go. So task inputs doesn't really matter because these are going to be hidden. So let's put little H's. Well, actually, I guess I'm not going to do that. Alright. So that looks good. Kind of have our own template now for what we want to do without changing Ryan's stuff. Next, what we need to do is start figuring out what the spreadsheet's going to look like for the actual clients. So let's go check out what they're doing. So we got this. That was that one template we were looking at. Base. Not sure what that is. Weber's descriptions. So I guess this kind of explains what they do for these different things. For like month 1, month 2. So like month 1, phase 1 client discovery, kickoff report analysis. A report that pulls data from Google Analytics, Google Search Console, and keyword rankings to help us understand the current status of your website. This report helps us helps our team build the initial strategy for your site. And so I guess that person does that. 2, full scrape of all pages on your site, crosswalked with vital SEO metrics like links, keyword rankings, indexation. So I guess this is like the standard operating procedure for what they do for when clients come in. And what the different months look like, so they can assign this to different people. But this really depends on the actual package itself, right? And what the client's getting. Because certain things are going to be more important than others. So let's see if we can get something similar to this going. This would have to be... Where would we put this? Okay, let me see. So let me see if I can come up with something like this. That didn't format well. I don't know what the heck, why it looks like this. Alright, screw it, we'll just do this. Let's do it ourselves. So, we got, let's just say for instance we have SEO retainer, or let's say local SEO clients. We'll just average this. Now the problem is if we do that, then everybody's going to have to learn these different things, which you're assuming that it's all based on priority is what it is. But I guess we could explain the intake. Hey, is it really possible to rank without links? Yes. Most definitely. Without link building. Right? There's a difference between link building and ranking with and without links. Where the heck is my mind? Okay, so I really don't want to create these SOPs like this because I just think it's stupid, but whatever, we'll just say it like this month, because it's not month 1, it's like day 1. Okay, so what we'll do, oh my god, I just exited out everything. Let's see if I can get that back. So what I'll do is I will not do it by the months, I'll do it by the numbered lists. What's up, Julio? So, client intake process. So, what we'll do is we'll say type of client. Well, screw it. We'll just do the general thing we do for everybody. So, so step number 1, say somebody emails us. What we do is we send them a message back saying we recommend an audit, right? So, the thing is though, if people don't want, no, we always recommend an audit at first. This is gonna be our first one. So, recommend SEO audit. Pitch, and then we'll have notes. So, pitch with following. Text. Alright, so then we're gonna go see note. We'll put in a note. Thanks for contacting us, Chase Reiner, SEO. We'd love to do an audit and SEO roadmap for you. Okay, no, actually, here we go. If you're or no, the first step I always recommend in order to, hold on. The first step I recommend to... Why can't I edit? To to people, to anyone who's looking for Premier SEO, is to have an audit done of their site first. This audit includes a comprehensive list. God darn it. Comprehensive list of items that need to be fixed based on priority. For more information on how this works, check out the page I made explaining what I specifically do for my roadmaps and why they are important. And then insert signature at the bottom. So let me go get that link. There. And put that here. And then we'll just have the person assigned to this task. And this will be the list of workers again. So let's go ahead and do that. And we'll do data validation. Put workers A2 to A20. And I'm trying to get rid of this. Oh yeah. We'll rename this intake process. I spelled process right? Yes. Alright, change color to blue. Alright. So now we got this. Let's format it a little bit better. There we go. Boom. We'll have the assigned to over here. So, boom. So recommend SEO audit. Do SEO audit. Just say, for example, that is what it is. Use audit template here. Then we'll take the audit template, which is over here. Get on call with, I'll just do this for now. Call with client and talk about pricing. Or no, we'll just say sell audit. Get on call or talk in person with client about prices. Found here. And then we have to create a pricing spreadsheet too. Okay, so we got sell audit, do implementations from roadmap, do implementations based on priority for target for audit found here. Insert audit for client. Insert pricing here. Do implementation and so all this other stuff. Hold on, let me put some more descriptions in. I wonder if I can just pull that in there. Whatever, it's fine. So we got designer, lead SEO, VA, content manager. Reassess from roadmap. Assess from roadmap what needs to be done. So the problem is like, say for instance we needed video, or we needed like more content, or we needed like, you know, call to actions or design. All that stuff's gonna vary from client to client. So this would be like the basic intake process for like getting a client for an SEO audit, and then anything after here could vary. Which in that case, we need to create the different SOPs for the other spreadsheet, or for the other things that we'll be doing. So let's bring this over, and we'll just leave this here for now. Whoops. Gosh darn it, why can't I move this? Whatever. I literally cannot. There we go. See if additional help is required to implement roadmap. And we create video tutorial here. Alright, so we got that. Pricing really frickin' varies depending on what we're doing. So let's just do the different things that we have right now. Hold on. So pricing, package type, screw it, we'll just do that for now. Notes. So this is cool that roadmap can be used by individuals and agencies. Yeah, that's the point. We want to be able to make this for to be able to pair with the roadmap that we have right now. So pricing, we'll just say, right now, we'll just say, because we're basing it off hours, even though we really shouldn't be. We should be basing it off of projects, but the problem with that is it's harder to sell projects than it is to sell hours. But if we have these different things that we're working on, like for instance, tasks input, but like it really depends on how large the scale is of these things. So let's just do a new task input and put packages, package inputs. Okay, so package inputs, what we'll do is we'll just do all of these. Whoops. I don't know what just happened there. Hold on. There we go. So we got small SEO package, small SEO package, medium SEO package, large SEO package. We also need to make the audits separate, like the small SEO audit, medium SEO audit, large SEO audit. Small content package, medium content package, Page speed optimization will just go in with SEO, I suppose. Now we'll do small. Go my business optimization, we can keep the same site architecture. Site-wide on-page issues. That'll just have to do with SEO packages. Online and offline conversion tracking. Schema markup package. Alright, so we'll just keep those for now. A2 to 821. Alright, there we go. Now this is all of them. Now let's see if we can pull the pricing in there with it. So we'll just do all the pricing next to it. See if I do $2, what will happen? Conditional formatting. Ooh, I don't know how to do that. Oh, I think we'd have to do both here. Ooh, let me see if I can do it. Go like this. Data validation. We'll do package inputs A1 to B20. Got to be exactly capitalized apparently. Okay, let's see. Ooh, it didn't do it because it's doing the separate. So maybe we just have to put the price right next to it. There's got to be a way to do that. I guess for now we'll just put the price next to it. Alright, small SEO package. We'll just do random inputs for now. Let's think about what this is gonna be. So so we just need those there, and then we need to pull the descriptions as well, but we can just, how do we pull that stuff in? So if I put a price here, 3, and then I put a description here, how do I pull that in? Package type. Let's say it was the small. Just trying to figure this out. Okay, let me look this up. How to pull multiple columns in conditional formatting drive. God, it's so much more complicated. You know who I could call is Kevin. So we got small SEO package. I mean, we could just, ideally we want all this stuff to feed in there. But I guess we could have the template and this would be sort of it, and then this would just be the actual implementation. Yeah, so I think that's what we'll do. Is we'll just have all of this be the So pricing will just be the package inputs, basically. So yeah, let's go do that. So just keep it there for a second. Okay, so small SEO package, we got notes, and then we got the price. So, small SEO package will do, oh god, so I'm gonna have to list out all the details for this now. So what we should do is just create separate Google Docs, and then we can make landing pages with those. And we'll have just brief descriptions of each of these. So we could just think about the different types of sites first that we'll mainly be encountering. So we'll talk about like local sites first, so like 5 to 10 landing pages. Optimize 5 to 10 landing pages with the following. Now we just have to figure out how we can actually put this into what's it called? Into a roadmap when we sell it, because if they need an SEO package, a content package, well, I guess that makes it easier. Keyword research, yeah. I'll be right back. I'm going to use the restroom. Alright, sorry about that, guys. I'm back. So, small SEO package. Optimize 5 to 10 landing pages with the following, and then we can call this whatever. I mean, what's the main things we've optimized when it comes to local sites? So, like, we could keep it pretty vague because some things are going to be more important than others. Let's just look at our audit. So, it really depends, like site architecture problems first. You know, it really depends on the priority. So we could just take these different things, like the basic on-page. Okay, we'll just say that. So, so the most important elements for on-page for local landing pages first. So we'll do that. The following title tag. So actually, I'm gonna make a landing page for this. Title tags. CTR optimization. Title and meta CTR optimization. Internal link silos. External linking. Let's just take basic on-page stuff. So H tags.
Want to make it easier?
Wait, hold on. I'll just take an SEO checker and use that.
Still live streaming?
Yeah, what?
I'm just saying if I can be weird.
So images, that's a good one. Although we could make that part of our design package instead if we wanted to. Multimedia. Title. Title relevancy. Keywords, meta tags, robust set text, XML sitemaps. So that's more like priority checklist. Content. So no. Keywords. Social media. So OG data, we'll say. About links, page speed. So we'll say compressed multimedia, OG data, co-occurring words. Usability. CTAs. Well, that's where it's applicable. Let's look up what the Hoth does for their on-page. Page title, meta description, headings. So I like how they say up to 3 per page. Alt tag and image names. Oh yeah, alt tags. Keyword and related keyword density, geographic targeting. Yes. Does the Hoth on page include anything else besides what's listed? It'd be funny if he was watching this video right now. Alright. So we'll just scale this out to 5. What are they doing? They're doing starting out with 2 to 4. 2 to 4. We'll just follow what's working, right? 5 to 9. This is actually better because those numbers. Except actually I would rather do higher numbers because it's going to look like more is getting done. Well, actually then they price it out differently. I'm going to say start out with, who does 2 to, well 2 to 4 would be if you're doing blog posts. That makes sense. 5 to 10. Doesn't include any other than what's listed. Have you used any of their services before? No. No. 96 per page. So 10 to 19, 20 to 30. To 19, 20 to 30. So we got 93, 108, 100, 96. So let's see how that calculates out. We're going to calculate all this stuff in the end. So 108, 100, 96, 93. 108 per page. 9, what was it? Sorry, I already lost it again. 100 per page. $96 per page. 93 per page. Now let's see what that calculates out to. So 2 to 4 landing pages would be, that'd be like $400 for 4 pages, which I guess would be somewhat okay. Oh, because they have an extra large one too. So why not? Let's just do a 4th option. That's just a lot of different choices. I mean, honestly, I don't think we need that many. All right. Screw it, we'll keep it. Oops. Extra. So small SEO audit. We'll do 200. Actually, let's pull this stuff to the right or to the left. So for this, we're gonna do audit, get comprehensive, SEO audit for a site with under, we'll say, 100 pages indexed. To see current index, type your site into Google like this. Site name : name of site.com. I'll say, and look at number of results. We'll make this 250. Alright, small content package. Depends on the type of content. If it's like landing pages, and also depends on how much money it takes to build these. So we're gonna say create internal pricing first. Small keyword research package. Let's see what the Hoth is doing. Perfectly fine. We offer a wide range of services to increase your search engine rankings. What SEO or what industry are you in? SEO. Have you heard of a guy named Chase Reiner? Alright, let's go to products. We're going to go to, let's see. We're going to look for keyword research. The only thing I care about is on-page and keyword research. Citation building we could do too, but we need to set that up internally. Auth X. Keyword research, competitive gap, analysis, high quality, diverse link buildings. This is like their full package, which is smart. We should create in like packages of packages basically. But that's all going to really depend on what we're doing, right? His name rings a bell. I don't know him personally. Where the heck? You have an SEO that is based on SEO, or you resell SEO services? I need to stop memeing this guy. Okay, where the heck is their SEO package? Or their keyword research? No, that's not what I want. Do they not have a keyword research package? So it looks like, why are they listing their cPanel here? Looks like a video. Where the heck is it? Okay, SEO tools, keyword research. No, products. We want. See, this is what makes it really confusing. It's like, how are people supposed to know what all this stuff is? Okay, reputation management, private. So it's just like a bunch of link building. On page, mega, guest post, press, link building. Local. Local audit. It's funny. Full citation audit. 30 local directory citations. So this is just images and what? Web 2.0s. Oh my god. This is not local. Oh, this is local citation packages. But they're calling it the local SEO package. Oh my god. Boost rank tracker video. So I'm sure they're listing this based on how much money they're making off this different stuff. So X, link building on page, and then this. So let me go here. So this is basically just their combination of link building things too. Okay, so they don't have keyword research by themselves, they just have this other one, which is the multiple package estimations, which includes these different things. Okay, so let's go into here and go to keyword research portion. So we're just gonna have to price these out ourselves. Oh shit, the light turned off. It's super dark in here. I created a few backlinks, but I can't find them on Search Console. How do I get that index? Looking forward, thanks. I mean, there isn't really a way to get your links indexed unless you're having the person that's linking to you try to get them indexed by Google, Search Console, or sharing it on social, or whatever. What? Okay, so small keyword research package will say 5 to 10 keywords. We'll just say 5 to 10 pages. Pages. And so keyword research for 2 to 4 pages. See, we wanted to match this. And the reason why we wanted it to match this is so that we can do the keyword research before we do the optimizations. Keyword research for 2 to 4 pages. So what will this, which includes Cora scans. Or wait, user intent. User intent and user experience. Let's shoot. Targeting. Keywords based off optimal keywords. Stuff, user intent, user experience, targeting. Which includes optimal keywords, optimal keyword. Optimal, I'm trying to think of the best way to word this. Optimal keyword lists based off user intent, user experience, targeting with Cora scans for main keywords. So we'll just do the extra large as well. So let's move these up. Let's move the audits up. What? Move these content packages down. Oops, this would be 6 to 10. Or not be 5 to 10. Alright, so we got all of these. Now the keyword research, so we have to figure out how much time it takes. So like a Cora scan plus the research itself for extracting all the keywords for the different pages from Ahrefs. We're going to say competitor analysis for Alright, so we got that, and then what we'll do is, so we'll say for each thing we need so for that we'll do 2 to 4 pages. We'll just say looks good there. That's probably a good start. We'll see. Alright, so content we got to skip, small page speed optimization, stuff like that. We got to figure out what we're doing for this. Need to create a list of tasks. What we do for this. Google My Business optimization, that's easy enough. We'll just call it 300 Google My Business with correct. Yeah, do you want to start setting these up? So this would be like the SEO audit page. Oops.
Share that with me.
Yeah. So what we'll do, Oscar, is we'll just do scope it out. We'll do it similar to this layout. Like for instance, we'll have all of this here, just under the SEO audit stuff. Whoops, we're gonna do it like this. So like, say all of this is for SEO audit, then we would have it like laid out like this, where it's like basically the same stuff, but the things that increase you'll see are like, you know, the pricing, the pages indexed, and then how they find this, and then we can have more we already have more information in there, so.
Alright.
So I'll just color code this stuff too. All right. Optimize Google My Business, correct categories. Pictures with correct file URLs. What else would it be? Let's do Google My Business and Yelp. With correct categories, pictures with correct, with optimized file URLs. Trying to remember all the different stuff. Responding to reviews, but we want the business owners to do that.
We need to audit this.
Responding to reviews. We could say like setting up texts, ability, text feature, adding at 3 text posts to my business profile.
Oh, this one. Shipping and fun.
Correct categories, pictures with optimized file URLs, and responding to reviews. So that really should not be 300. It should be like, we'll just say like 150. Now we'll call it 200. Site architecture package. Really depends on the freaking. I just have to price that out later because I really don't know what we would do for that. Like, it really depends on a lot of stuff. Online and offline conversion tracking. So online and offline conversion tracking, we can say it's $300. Well, actually, we want that for small sites and then large sites. Basic. Online and offline conversion tracking for forms. Form submits. Form submits, phone calls, and email signups. Oops. Google, or sorry, we do conversion tracking for websites. Online and offline version tracking for websites who aren't tracking form submits. Form submits, phone calls, and email signups. Basic schema markup package. So basic schema markup package, we could do like 295. Let's actually make these 295. Schema markup. for main pages for homepage, about us, contact us, and blog posts, and images. Wait, blog posts, headers, wait. Images, videos, products, okay, so that's some of the basic packages. What's up, Steven? I just saw that. Okay, so small SEO audit, small on-page SEO package, medium on-page content. We need one for, let's go into here. Keyword research, links, we're not doing that. Content related issues, Google Analytics, Google My Business Optimization, citations. Citation building. Build out 90 plus citations for and do citation cleanup for consistency. So now let's set up our separate packages. So let's basically just duplicate this. SEO package. Local SEO packages. So we do the audit, we say, hey, look, we want to do small on-page SEO package for my up to 9 pages. So say we do, see, we should have a calculator in here that adds up all this stuff. That would be sick. Because if we are pricing this out, we need to, I mean, let's see if we can just get a calculator. how to do calculations in Google Sheets. Equal sign. So let's say say what they want to do. 97 times I don't know if that's how it works. 9. Let's try 97 times . How the hell do you do it? So I'm going to average. Highlight the cell. In the bottom right, let's explore sum total. See average. How to do math in Google Sheet. How to do simple math formula. Here we go. Oh, okay. So, let's see. If we had, say we said recommended 9 pages here. 9. And then we did, what was it?
To add the date.
Hold on, where was that? Here it is. Equals A2 plus B2. Alright. So equals B B7 times D8. Hold up. Equals B. Oh, it's because these are all. So what if I just do per page here? Alright, well actually, because that's just going to be way too complicated, so let me just see if I can. $97 times 9. Let's see if we can just add it there. Can't make it easy, can we? Alright, we'll calculator. Why does it have to go over there? It's really frustrating. Screw it, we'll do online calculator. 9 times 97 equals 873. I don't even remember why I was trying to figure that out. 873. There we go. Okay, so I'm just trying to, because I was trying to calculate what a local SEO package would be. So say it would be 97 times 9, 873 with keyword research, medium, so I'll do 297. Oh shoot, hold on, I forgot what I was at. 97 times 9 plus 297 plus 197 plus 150 plus online offline conversion tracking plus basic schema markup package. It's like looking at 2,000 right there. So for the local SEO package, we could do 1995. So we'll just try that out. Oh shit, you just unplugged my thing. So let's just see if we can put this all under one. Local SEO package. $1997. And then let's just list what's in there. So we had it's medium on-page package. Medium keyword research. Got my business optimization. Citation building. Online conversion tracking. Basic schema markup. This is assuming that they already have the content. We also want to do a review generation strategy. So actually we should just make this local. So intermediate we could do, we gotta go put this in, so that would be so 10 to 19 at 95. So 95 times, should say 19, it's like 1805 times large keyword research package 397 and that would be 5 to, oops, 10 to 19. So plus 397 plus 197 plus 150 plus 297 plus 297. So that's 3,143. So we'll call that 297. But we need to add reviews generation strategy in both of these. So let's see if we can put that in here. Review generation strategy. And this really depends on how we do it, but it could be review generation strategy that I use, which we do, you know, just outreach to the people that are either customers or whatever, but we could say that that could be like 300 for now, or 297. Get reviews from other experts or people who have already purchased your products or services. So you know that all the stuff in the same colors is the same package, right?
Hmm?
All the stuff in the same colors is the same package. It's under the same thing.
Yeah.
Alright, so let's add that review generation strategy in there. And we'll just throw it in on both because it's just necessary to do. We could give discounts, but I'm just gonna throw it in there. Kind of want to turn them away from free though. We'll just call it 100. Actually, I'll make this 3,500. So I also have I just built out the basic local. So we got all of that too. 397, whatever. Cool. So that's the local. We can do the national now. Just gonna look very similar. I mean, honestly, this is gonna look very similar to the other stuff, but we have to do it, so let's just do it. Oh, Steven donated another $2. He does that all the time. Alright. So we got copy. Let's change this to national.
And look at all these reviews you have for your audits.
Oh, that's for all for audits? That's sick. Alright, national SEO packages. Let's do basic. National SEO package, we'll just make it the same. Wait, where did the... This is going to be extra large. Alright, medium on page SEO 97. And we're basically going to be doing the same stuff, except we're going to be taking out Google My Business and Yelp. Take out citation building, online offline conversion tracking, probably won't do offline. Whatever, we will. Basic schema markup, review generation. Take that out. Get out our calculator. 97 times 9. 873 plus 297 plus 297 plus 297 1000, so we'll just do 1495. Oops. So I'm trying to think what else we'd want to do. Let's look at the Hoth, see what they're doing. So they got keyword research, competitive gap analysis, high quality diverse link building, high quality blog content, customized strategy, hands-free. So it's basically the same stuff. Link building plus content. But they build content too. So we could also build content into the national SEO packages, but I would rather not. So I'm just going to delete row, citation building, I feel like I've been streaming this for the days. What are we at? Oh shit, my head's been cut off this whole time. I can't even see how much time we're at. God. Everybody's giving me so much shit for my fingernails. Look at this guy, oh my god. People are getting so salty. Okay, so 2,500. They did 1,000, 2,500, 5,000. I mean, we could bring it down since they're getting the actual. Yeah, since they're getting a package, we'll just bring it down. 85. 200. We'll do 197 there. 97. Well, we won't even do like the specific pricings in there. We'll just take all of this stuff out. Except they'd probably like to see what this all equals. So we will keep it. I don't know, should we? Yeah, we should have it make sense to them. So center that stuff. Okay, so 80. We have to figure out how this can equal 1997 or cheaper. Let's see, basic. We could do 997. Then we'll make it 12. Intermediate, we'll make it 997. It's kind of a lot though. I'd probably rather do like 3,000 on that. That seems about right. Kind of would actually want to make this one a little bit higher. Okay, that looks good. So I don't know what this all equals out to. Let's just reduce all of this stuff to cheaper. Building. Dude, Oscar, when we make the local SEO package and all of the different packages, what I'm doing is I'm doing like price reductions because they're getting packages. So like instead of just getting all of this stuff where it's like, you know, $2,000 or, you know, whatever this would be, whatever all those would be, if they get the package, then it's just like a reduced price. So what I want to do is like, now that I'm reducing it to like that, I want to just show like on the page, like was, you know.
I can do that.
Was, and I should have kept that first calculation, so I guess I'm gonna have to add it all up again. So let me get 97 times 9 plus keyword research 297 plus 197 plus 297 plus 150 plus 297 plus 297 2,408. Was Okay, so 81 times 9 plus 197 plus 97 plus 50 plus 97 plus 97 plus 47. So 13, 14. Oh, that's pretty close actually. Let's bring it up to 82 or 83. So let's just add up these. 197 plus 97 plus 50 plus 97 plus 97. 585. So 585 plus 83 times 9. $585 plus 85 times 9. Plus 585 plus 90 times 9. So keyword research will do 197 divided by 9, 21. Was what is this? Was 197. Citation building. 150. Online and offline conversion tracking, 297. Dude, how legit is this, Oscar? So we literally do the audit, and we go over all the different packages after the audit, being like, hey, I think you should get the small SEO package for your 500 pages indexed. We'll get the small on-page, sorry, that's the audit when they come in. Get the small on-page SEO package once we're done with the audit, or the medium, we'll do 5 to 9 landing pages. So that'll be this. We add it all up so that it's like, you know, whatever this is, which is like the premium prices if they're just to get one thing. And be like, okay, so altogether it's 3,397. And then the people are like freaking out because they're like, oh shit, I don't want to pay that much for like a medium. And then you go, but with all this stuff, this is pretty much the local SEO package, which I can do a basic for $13.95, and it'll include basically all of that. But since you're getting the package, it's like everything gets reduced. So then when they see it, they're like, oh my god, that's such a good deal, you know?
Yeah.
And we just look super legit because we have everything in there. Like we do the keyword research, optimize Google My Business, build out citations. This is super easy because then we just, instead of having like the audit per se, we just take the different things in the audit and then just hand it to the person to do like the optimize. We just hand them this. Look.
Right.
We just give them, for the optimize, it would just be like this. And then we would just give them the different pages and then they would just go and change the stuff. And then for like the keyword research, we would have like the people writing content do that, and then we just teach them how to do the keyword research, you know? Isn't that cool?
Yeah. Yeah, we're still streaming.
Yeah.
It's like your longest SEO stream.
I don't know, is it? Let's see.
Aren't you like at 3 hours?
2 hours and 36 minutes. No, the longest one I did was like, wasn't it like 4 hours or something? Might have been 3 hours and 30 minutes.
You should do let's do SEO 12-hour charity stream.
Did you see the 24-hour one? They just had a 24-hour one the other day.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
I don't even remember.
+1, yeah.
Review generation, 297. All right. Cool, so we got all that. Intermediate local SEO package, we got 1,997, so we got to make this $90 per page also. Well, let's see. We make this 87. What is it normally? 95, so we'll just do was. All right, let's see. All right, so large on-page SEO package. We got $95 per page, 95 per page, and so let's see if we can get this down to 197 with 19. So this is going to basically be all the same stuff here. 97. $50. Okay, so large on-page SEO package. We got, let's see if we can do 87 or something per page. And we'll do 2019 per page. So that base price of those other things I think is, well, let's just do it, 47 times, or whoops, sorry, 47 plus 50 plus 97 plus 97 plus 97 plus 19 times 19 equals 749 plus 87 times 19, 2,400. So let's bring that down. Oh shit, I didn't mean to get rid of that. Bring that down to like 85. Actually, probably need to bring it down to like 83. So 82 times 19 equals 1558 plus 19 times 19 equals, so that's already too much. 97 times 3 plus another 97, so it's actually 97 times 4 plus 19 times 19 equals 749. So 749. 749 times 82 times 19. 80 times 742. 80 times 19 plus 742. 75 times 70 times 68 times 70 or 77 plus 742. 66 times 19 plus 742. 1996. So that would be 66 per page. Okay, so we're gonna have to go down even further on this one. It's gonna be probably like 49. So we got 95 and 93, so it's 93 here. So medium keyword research, we got oh god. Was
Great food. Want anything from Chipotle?
you can just use my car.
Yeah, but do you want anything from Chipotle?
Oh yeah, can you get me just like a burrito with like just like chicken, whatever?
With everything. Got it. Extra spicy sauce, right?
No. Oh wait, I don't have my car. I took my bike. You can use my bike though if you want. As long as you don't get it stolen, because that's like a really expensive bike.
No, just gonna walk it.
Okay.
I don't want to get your wheels stolen. People do that.
Oh my god, I just remembered I'm still live streaming. Should probably end it by now. Like too focused for this.